Tips to look cute and feel confident at school. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of looking the same to school every day? Want to switch things up and feel more confident? Here are some fun and easy tips to help you look cute and stand out. 1. Dress comfortably and stylishly. Choose outfits that are both comfortable and stylish. Mix and match colors, patterns, and layers to create a look that's uniquely you. 2. Accessorize. Add some fun accessories like headbands, bracelets, or a cute backpack to enhance your look. 3. Hair care. Experiment with easy hairstyles. A neat ponytail, braids, or a half-up, half-down style can look super cute. 4. Skincare routine. Keep your skin looking fresh with a good skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and don't forget sunscreen. 5. Light makeup. If you like makeup, keep it light and natural. A tinted lip balm, some mascara, and a touch of blush can make you look fresh and cute. 6. Positive attitude. A positive attitude is key. Smile often and be kind. Your confidence and friendliness will make you even more attractive. 7. Stay organized. Stay organized. A tidy backpack and neat school supplies not only help you stay on top of your work, but also show that you care about your school life. 8. Good posture. Maintain good posture. Standing and sitting up straight makes you look more confident and poised. 9. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated keeps your skin glowing and helps you feel your best. 10. Healthy snacks. Bring healthy snacks to school. They'll keep your energy up and your body feeling good. 11. Personal hygiene. Good personal hygiene is essential. Brush your teeth. Use deodorant and wash your hands regularly to stay fresh all day. With these tips, you'll look and feel cute every day at school. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye bye. See you on my next video.